Sure, we make fantastic US-made electronic components, wire harnesses, and assemblies. But we go way beyond that, providing you inventory management solutions and production support as well.
Well, as far as vendor reduction that we tout, if you were making this in-house, you'd have to go buy this, you'd have to go buy this, you have to go buy this, you have to go buy this, you have to go buy the red wire, blue wire, you have to buy these wire ties, you have to place 8 POs. I make it for you. It's one top line part number, okay, and that's 1 PO, that's 1 invoice. Because we're owned by Marsh Electronics, a broadline distributor. So we can buy this part from ourselves. Our competitors have to go buy this part from somebody like a Marsh or one of the catalog houses or whatever. So in a way, it will reduce your vendors.
Buy your custom electronics built in Milwaukee.
Hello, I'm Scott Morris with Marvac Assemblies, and we're your solution for custom assemblies. We're headquartered in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We've been there for 87 years. We ship internationally, primarily in the Midwest, and that's where our offices are, their locations, stocking locations. We do different types of wire harnesses. This is a simple wire harness. We do some medical type stuff. We even do more complex military type stuff. This one has a lot of moving parts to it with the high pin count and the twisted pairs and the way the shielding is socked. We're typically built to print, but we do some small design assist when needed. We do some ultrasonic welding for splicing. The only problem with ultrasonic welding is when you do it, every dog in the neighborhood barks because of the ultrasonic sounds. No, actually, it's a very stable, reliable, repeatable type process. And again, instead of solder, you could solder this. You could crimp it with the connector, but this is much more reliable, much more repeatability. Your labor costs go down, so I can't charge you as much. Our markets are non-automotive transportation, medical, food and beverage, agriculture. If you're an electronic engineer, we probably have your solution, and we'd love to look at it. We also do box build and mechanical assemblies. We're not a metal shop. We would buy this from your supplier, or we could go source it as well. We can do some very, very minor machining, but we just add the components, wire it up accordingly, make it to your spec. We have some assemblies that are 10 pieces. We have some assemblies that are 100,000. Lots of things go into that. If we can automate it, those are the higher quantity assemblies. If they're as big as a bread basket or huge as a Volkswagen, you know, that all goes into the quantities as well. Another thing we can offer that a lot of our competitors don't offer is inventory management. Again, being connected with this distribution, we're used to stocking programs. We have in-house stores. We can do market rate on demand type stuff. We can scan your inventory. We can go look in a bucket, and when your bucket's empty, bring you some more. That's kind of cool stuff for a cable shop. I don't know too many people doing that. We'd love to have everybody go to marvacassemblies.com. There's phone numbers on there, there's email addresses, and if you mention the secret show word yo-yo, I'll know that somebody saw this, and that would be really cool. I really appreciate everybody's time.